guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be making cheddar garlic buttermilk biscuits, soft and fluffy, and I hope you all will enjoy. So let's get started. So here my lovelies, the ingredients for the biscuits are 10 tablespoons unsalted butter melted, 2 cups self-rising flour, half teaspoon kosher salt, 2.5 teaspoons garlic powder and parsley divided, 1 cup buttermilk, 1.5 cups cheddar cheese, non-stick foil paper for your baking sheet, and some parsley. So let me go ahead and chop the parsley in small. This is all fresh parsley, guys. This is about 2 tablespoons. And the oven should be preheated at 450. Divide parsley into 2. So let's set this aside. Now in a bowl I will add flour, salt, 1 portion of the garlic powder, combine, and the flour is self-rising flour. Add cheese and combine. Butter, and buttermilk. Combine. Make sure everything is well incorporated. Some parsley. Now scoop 1/4 cup biscuit mixture 2 inches apart onto baking sheet. So here we have it, guys, 14 biscuits. So let's go to the oven. Let's bake 10 to 12 minutes or until golden brown. So here, my lovelies, it is now 12 minutes and this is what the biscuit looks like. I will now combine the remaining butter and garlic powder. And combine. Brush. Tasty biscuit, guys. I hope you all will enjoy. Now let's stand aside for 5 minutes to cool. Thank you all so much for watching and please subscribe. Now you can garnish. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and please remember to subscribe.